Oh my gosh, it's big, it's big. It's on the ground. Holy crap. It's big. Oh my gosh. I can't look at radar, Christina. I can't right now. Tell me where it's headed. I'm gonna be in the pretty crazy winds here for a second on the back side of it. But yeah, I'm watching it go through Wilton right now, and it's people gotta know.
Yeah.
All right, I gotta go. Holy crap! Call basement now. Guys, it's on the ground. Holy crap. Power's out. Woo! We're rocking here. I'm gonna buckle in. Power flash! Power flash! Now, oh my god, I just witnessed my first tornado, guys. I'm freaking out. Holy crap.